Acoustic foam panels will help your sound from bouncing off of the walls and back into your microphone. Let's take a look at some options together. First, we have a 52-pack of 1 inch by 12 inches by 12 inches wedged foam squares. Acoustic foams are used to control the reverberation sounds make, and this is quite different from soundproofing. Found on Amazon.com at $40.95. Acoustic foam panels absorb unwanted sounds such as echoes and noise from surrounding areas, making other sounds clearer. This product has a 4-star rating. Acoustic foam panels absorb sound generated at any range of frequencies, making them perfect for recording or listening environments. Next, we have a 96-pack of purple and black 1 inch by 12 inches by 12 inches wedged foam tiles. Good for studios, recording studios, and vocal booths. Used to absorb mid to high range frequencies and diminish echoes. Overall noise reduction foam tiles perfectly aligned and are a professional sound quality. Found on Amazon.com at $73.99. This product has a 3.5-star rating. Finally, Troy Studio Acoustic Absorption Foam Panel 12 by 12 by 2 inches thick. These sound foam panels are ideal for acoustical treatment, good for recording studio, home theater, office, home studio, vocal booth, basement, podcast, YouTuber and more. Found on Amazon.com at $35.99. This product has a 4.5-star rating. Links below. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out probably the worst podcast ever on Spotify.